Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu operating system on your VMware workstation. So guys, I'm going to show you step-by-step procedure. So guys, if you follow my video properly, then I'm sure you will be able to successfully install Ubuntu on your VMware workstation. So guys, I have already installed VMware Workstation Player on my system. If you have not installed, I have given video link in description box. You can follow that and install it. So after installing VMware Workstation, then you can go for installation of what? Ubuntu. So here guys, what I'm doing, I have just started my VMware Workstation and I'm opening my any browser, and here I'm typing Ubuntu, and guys you can see the official website ubuntu.com. Just click on this link. Here it is asking me some cookies information, so I'm going to accept. And now guys, this is the official page ubuntu.com, and here you can see it's showing some of the information. Here you can see we have option download Ubuntu for desktop. Just select this, and here you can see it's showing me this download page, and here we have current LTS release of Ubuntu, the LTS version. So we will be clicking on this download button, and guys here it's showing me this sign up. You don't have to sign up. You can see at the top the download has been started. So the file is in GB. It is going to take time, so we'll wait for it. So guys, my download of Ubuntu is done. It is around 4.7 GB. So I'm just going to open this folder. Okay, so here in my folder you can see I'm having Ubuntu desktop. Right now I will open my VMware workstation, and here I'm going to click on create virtual machine, and guys here I'm going to select the third option, that is I will install the operating system later. And now here we have to select the guest operating system, that is the new operating system which you are installing. So I'm going to select Linux, and here in version I'm going to select Ubuntu 64-bit. And here you can provide name to your virtual machine. So by default it is showing me Ubuntu 64-bit. I'm just renaming it to only Ubuntu. And guys, this is the location where my this operating system is installed. If you wish to change, you can just click on this browse button and you can change it. Okay, so now just click on next button, and here we need to specify disk capacity. So we need to specify it in GB. So how much space you want to allocate to this VM, so that you need to specify. I provided 100 GB. Okay, so 100 GB space will be allocated for this VM. Recommended is what? 20 GB, right? And option I'm not changing, and I'm clicking on next button. Guys, here ready to create virtual machine, we need to just click on this customize option, and now here we have to set some important hardware features. So memory, we have to specify memory for our virtual machine. So here you can see different size of memory we can specify. So recommended memory is 2 GB, and minimum memory is what? 1 GB. You cannot specify less than that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply take in between this 1 GB to 6 GB or 2 GB to 6 GB, that is I'm going to take what? 4 GB. So you can just manage this scroll bar to get your 4 GB. Okay, so now after memory we need to specify what? Processor. So just click on this processor tab, and guys now here number of processor cores, by default it is 2, so we will keep that. And now guys, we will go to the next option, that is new CD DVD. So here guys you can see use physical drive and use ISO image. So we will be using ISO image which we have already downloaded. So just browse the location where you have downloaded ISO of Ubuntu. And now guys, let's go to the next option, network adapter. Here we are not going to change anything. Now remaining option you don't have to do, only memory, processor and new CD DVD. Everything is done guys. Now I'm going to click on this close button. So customize option has given me option for providing RAM and all that thing. So now you can see these are the information which it is showing me. Guys, I'm going to click on this finish button. And here guys you can see now my VM is created, but the operating system is not installed. So I'm going to click on this play virtual machine button. Okay, I have to do installation of that ISO file. So just click on that, and here guys you are getting option try or install Ubuntu. Ubuntu safe graphics, and then test memory. Other options are there. So I'm going to select what? First option, try or install Ubuntu. Okay. Just select that option and hit enter, guys. So guys, here it is doing some of the background work. So we'll wait this type of window, and now it is going to ask me for installation. And now guys, here it is showing me language, so I'm selecting English as language, and here it's showing me accessibility in Ubuntu. So just click on next button, and this is the keyboard layout, so just select the default one, keep everything default, and click on next button. So wherever changes are required, I'm going to tell you. So this is again, I'm keeping a default one. So how you want to install Ubuntu, so whether you want interactive Ubuntu or what type of installation you want. So I'm taking interactive Ubuntu, and guys again click on the next button. Guys, here it's showing me this screen, so I'm going to select default selection, and here I'm going to check mark this options, and here guys it's showing me how do you want to install. So whether you want to erase the disk and install. So yes, we would like to erase the disk, so it will not erase your main machine disk. Okay, so it is going to erase virtual machine disk. So I'm selecting the first option, guys, and I'm going to click on next button. And now here we need to provide some account details. So username we have to provide. So whatever username you want to give, you can provide here. So I'm giving CSC and provide the password. Do remember this password while login. You require this password, guys. So just enter this detail and click on next button. Here provide the location. So I have provided location and click on next button, and now it's showing me review your choices. So whatever we have selected, everything is shown over here. We need to just hit on this install button to start the installation. So let's do that, guys. So here I'm just clicking on this install button. So my installation has been started, and guys, it is going to take a while. And guys, here now you need to hit enter button. So I'm just clicking on enter button, and boom guys, now it's showing me this screen where it's showing me my username. I need to just enter my password, and done, guys. You can see now it has taken me to Ubuntu operating system. So guys, since we started first time, it's showing me this welcome to Ubuntu 24.0.1 LTS. So here you need to just follow some steps. Click on next button. It will complete this welcome screen part. And now guys, I'm just starting my browser just to show you. Yes, here internet is also working, and here guys I'm just searching this. So you can see everything is working properly. So guys, this completes installation of Ubuntu on your VMware Workstation Pro. I hope guys by following my video, you have also installed Ubuntu on your VMware Workstation. So guys, if really my video has helped you, don't forget to hit on like button. And guys, if this video is really useful, share my video to your friends. You know guys, for creating such video, it takes lots of effort, so I want you to share my videos. And guys, I'm having another coding channel that is in Hindi, Code with Sunita. If you want to learn coding in Hindi, you can subscribe that channel. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Guys, I'm sharing lots of PDF notes related to computer science, IT, interviews on my Telegram. All my social media link I have given in description box. You can join or follow me there also. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning, guys.